Hello, hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice with Epicure, of course. So I'm super excited because I got hands on our new catalog. We're not allowed to really share it with anybody yet. To my super close and loyal customers, you have seen this, so don't tell anybody. But what I'm doing for everybody is I am holding a special online new product launch. So online, August 31st, so the day before the catalog, the products come out. And I will be offering sales, like really, really good sales, because my customers are amazing and I'm able to do that. Plus plus Epicure is offering sales as well. And to take it a step further, the first week, the first week of September, any commissions that I make will be going towards a charity. I'm not sure which one yet. I did submit some items, I did submit some money, some payment, however you want to say it, to the wildfires charity, so the Red Cross, to support those people who are unfortunately and sadly affected by the wildfires. I'm doing that this week, but next week I'm going to pick another one, or maybe the same one. I think I'm going to ask my customers' opinions on if there's a certain charity that is close to your heart, or if I should contribute to the same one. But anyways, so the commissions that I make from that new product launch event, all of them will be going towards a charity. So it's a great cause. I am so excited about the new products and I am so happy to share them with all of you. So I will leave the link at the bottom. Make sure to click the link and then you are part of the online event. It will be starting a couple days even before August 31st, where I will be kind of talking about Epicure, talking about different things that we can help with. If you have high blood pressure, if you're on the keto diet, which seems to be the most amazing thing, and even my husband's been on the keto diet now for 4 months and he's lost a ton of weight. He was even a part of a challenge where they did a before and a after photo of him. He had a photo shoot on Friday. They're not releasing the photos yet. I think it's in a week, but I will show you guys. So Epicure works. If you need to limit salt, we have sodium conscious products that still taste good. That's the key. My husband puts salt on everything. So for me to simply tell him to stop eating salt is impossible. He won't do it. But what I use is the no sodium or low sodium seasonings. He doesn't know the difference, and that's honest. I hope he doesn't watch this because then he will. But I do the cooking for the most part. So Epicure has literally saved our health, which is why I'm so passionate. And every time a new catalog comes out, I get really excited. There's a lot of things that I'm really excited about for this new catalog. One of them, which is a little sneak peek I'm going to tell you about, is a turmeric and pepper grinder, so all in one. Turmeric is highly anti-inflammatory. Everybody could use some extra turmeric in their diet, but I even have that spice at home, but I don't think to pick it up and put it on stuff. I just simply don't. But if it's within a pepper, I would totally start to use it more. I'm super excited. So that's a little sneak peek. But there's so much more. Like, you have no idea, which I will be talking to you guys about. I'm showing you guys obviously the catalog, but I'm not going to show you guys inside it yet. That is why you have to join the online event. Everybody's welcome. Canada or the USA, you're all welcome to join, okay? Any questions, please let me know. I'm super excited because I'm assuming you guys want a sneak peek, right? So come on in. Even a couple other products I have shared inside the group already, and pumpkin is one of them. We have some pretty cool pumpkin stuff coming up. So if you like pumpkin everything when it comes fall time, look inside the event now, because I did share about 3 of our new products in regards to that. Thank you for watching. I'm going to stop talking now so I don't give everything away. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you guys very, very soon.